Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cabin air filters that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the A Premium Cabin Air Filter. This filter is specifically designed for Volkswagen and Audi models, making it a perfect fit for vehicles like the Jetta, Passat, Audi A3, and more. It features activated carbon technology, which effectively absorbs dust, smoke, pollen, and other airborne pollutants to keep your cabin air fresh and odor-free. The A Premium filter is built with a close mesh design that helps extend the life of your HVAC system by preventing contaminants from entering it. The design and build of this filter are robust, with a multi-layer construction that emphasizes both filtration efficiency and durability. Measuring 11.27 inches in length and 8.43 inches in width, it's a straightforward replacement part, but it doesn't offer the same level of filtration or premium feel as some of the higher-ranked options on this list. However, its compatibility across a wide range of Volkswagen and Audi models makes it a convenient choice for those who own these vehicles. In terms of performance, the A Premium filter does a decent job at capturing common pollutants, but it lacks some of the advanced features seen in its competitors, such as HEPA-level filtration. It's a solid option for drivers who want a reliable, basic filter without breaking the bank. Pros include its wide compatibility and affordability, but cons include its average filtration performance and lack of industry certifications. Overall, this is a good pick for budget-conscious buyers who prioritize value over premium features. At number 4, we have the Puroma Cabin Air Filter. This product is a great choice for Honda and Acura owners, with compatibility across popular models like the Civic, CR-V, Accord, MDX, and more. The filter includes a combination of soda and activated carbon, which works effectively to reduce odors and deliver fresh air to the cabin. It also features a non-woven filter layer to capture fine particles like dust and pollen, enhancing the air quality inside your vehicle. The design of the Puroma Cabin Air Filter is simple but functional. It's easy to install, with clear airflow arrows on the side to guide you during replacement. The build quality feels sturdy and reliable, and the product dimensions of 9.2 by 8.3 by 1.2 inches ensure a snug fit for compatible vehicles. However, it's worth noting that the Puroma filter is not washable or reusable, so you'll need to replace it periodically, typically every 12,000 miles or once a year. In terms of performance, this filter offers efficient filtration and does a good job at minimizing odors and improving cabin air quality. It's a budget-friendly option that balances affordability and effectiveness, making it a smart choice for daily drivers. On the downside, it doesn't have the longevity or advanced features of some premium options. Pros include its affordability, ease of installation, and compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. Cons include its relatively basic filtration capabilities and the need for more frequent replacements in heavily polluted areas. Overall, the Puroma Cabin Air Filter is a solid mid-range option for those looking to improve their vehicle's air quality without spending too much. Coming in at number 3 is the Spearhead Odor Defense Breathe Easy Cabin Filter. This product is designed with longevity and performance in mind, offering up to 25% longer life compared to standard cabin filters. What sets it apart is its multi-layer filtration system, which includes an activated carbon layer made from real coconut shells. This innovative design ensures that harmful gases, odors, and road debris are effectively trapped, improving the overall air quality inside your car. The build quality of the Spearhead filter is impressive. It's 2 times heavier than standard filters, thanks to its industrial-strength electrostatic media and densely packed activated carbon. Measuring 9.45 by 8.07 by 1.22 inches, it fits a wide range of vehicles, including popular models from Acura, Buick, Chevrolet, and Cadillac. The installation process is straightforward, and the filter comes with a detailed manual to guide you through the steps, making it a great choice for DIY enthusiasts. In terms of performance, the Spearhead filter excels at removing unpleasant odors and maintaining clean air inside the cabin. It's particularly effective for drivers who frequently encounter urban pollution or drive in areas with heavy traffic. Pros include its long lifespan, robust construction, and superior filtration capabilities. While cons include its slightly higher cost compared to basic models and the need to verify fitment for specific vehicle trims. Overall, the Spearhead Odor Defense filter is a fantastic option for those who want a premium product without venturing into the high-end price range. Securing the number 2 spot is the EPAuto CPJ6X cabin air filter. Designed for Mazda vehicles, this filter offers a perfect fit for models like the Mazda 3, Mazda 6, and CX-5. Featuring activated carbon technology, it ensures clean, fresh air by trapping pollutants such as dust, pollen, and exhaust fumes. The soda-infused layer adds an extra level of odor neutralization, making it an excellent choice for drivers who prioritize a fresh-smelling cabin. The filter's compact design, 3.94 by 3.94 by 1.18 inches, makes installation and replacement a breeze. Despite its lightweight construction, the EPAuto filter is durable and built to last. It's recommended to replace this filter every 12,000 miles or 12 months, which is in line with industry standards. The build quality is good. And the filter is designed to enhance the performance of your HVAC system by ensuring optimal airflow. Performance-wise, the EPAuto filter strikes a great balance between affordability and efficiency. It's an ideal option for Mazda owners who want a reliable, cost-effective solution to improve their cabin air quality. The pros include its vehicle-specific fit, effective odor control, and affordable price point. The cons are its limited compatibility with non-Mazda vehicles and the need for regular replacements in dusty or polluted areas. Overall, the EPAuto CPJ6X cabin air filter is a standout choice for Mazda drivers seeking value and performance in one package. Finally, at number 1, we have the BOSCH 6055C HEPA cabin air filter. This filter is the epitome of premium quality, offering true HEPA filtration that captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. This means even the tiniest allergens, bacteria, and pollutants are kept out of your cabin, making it an excellent choice for those with allergies or respiratory sensitivities. The multi-layer design includes a melt-blown electrostatic layer and a static cotton layer, both of which contribute to its exceptional filtration performance. The build quality of the BOSCH 6055C is top-notch, with structural ribs that enhance its stability and longevity. Measuring 9.25 by 9.65 by 1.77 inches, this filter is compatible with an extensive range of vehicles, including popular models from Lexus, Toyota, and Subaru. The installation process is straightforward, though it's always a good idea to double-check the fitment for your specific vehicle trim. With a price tag of $18.15, it offers incredible value for a HEPA-grade filter. What sets the BOSCH 6055C apart is its performance. The filter ensures that the air inside your cabin is as clean and breathable as possible, making long drives more comfortable and healthier for you and your passengers. Pros include its HEPA-level filtration, durable construction, and wide compatibility. The only con is that it might be overkill for drivers who don't have significant air quality concerns. Overall, the BOSCH 6055C is the gold standard for cabin air filters, offering unmatched protection and performance at a reasonable price. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.